Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to track how many leads and customers you get from your Google Ads right from within Freshsales CRM. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into hidden fields in the form, which is then captured and sent to your CRM. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Google Ads, how many customers you got from each Google Ads campaign, and how much revenue was generated from each keyword. There are a number of benefits to using Attributor. Firstly, Attributor passes through data on visitors from all channels, including organic search, organic social, etc. So you'll know where all your leads are coming from, not just those from your paid ad campaigns. Secondly, Attributor remembers the data as visitors browse around your site. So no matter what page they complete the form on, the UTM parameters will always be captured. Thirdly, Attributor cleans the data as well. So even if some of your ads were tagged with UTM source equals Google and others were tagged with UTM source equals AdWords, Attributor would assign them to the paid search channel regardless. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. Depending on what website builder you're using, you should just be able to copy it, go to the settings section, and paste it in. You can also use tools like Google Tag Manager to add it in as well. Now go to the tool you use to power the lead capture forms on your site. We use Gravity Forms ourselves, but the process is similar for Wix Forms, Typeform, Webflow Forms, and more. Start by dragging and dropping 6 hidden fields to the bottom of your form. Once added, open up each of these form fields and give it a name and a default value. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your website, Attributor will write the Google Ads data into the hidden fields and it will be captured by your form tool. You can then send it into Freshsales CRM, store it in a spreadsheet, see it in your email notifications, whatever else you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.